Uh-oh, get your leash. Get your leash. Get it. Bring it up. Up, up, up. Yes, good job. It was weak, but it was doing it. Uh-oh, get your leash. Jumper, get your leash. Get it. Bring it up. Yes, good job. He brought it up. Oh, shoot. The thing is on the, what do you call it? Flash. Hold on. Uh-oh, get your leash. Get it. Get it. Bring it up. Yes, good job. I've been doing this every day since I'm coming home. When coming home from work, this is how he gets greeted, is by picking up his leash. Alright, it is so hard to juggle a leash on a phone. Yep. Uh-oh, get your leash. Bring it up. Yes, good job. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, it is. That is so good. You're doing so good with it. Alright, let's just walk around a little bit. I gotta get some stuff, but... Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah. Now in the middle thing of Walgreens. Uh-oh, get your leash. Chopper, get your leash. Get it. Get it. Bring it up. Yes, good job. Uh-oh, get your leash. Bring it up. Up. Get it. Bring it up. Asking more of him. Get it. Almost. Come on. Hey, get your leash. Chopper, get your leash. Bring it up. Yes. Well. Uh-oh, get your leash. Get it. Get your leash. Bring it up. Yes. Almost. Sit. Sit. Trying to ask more of him without missing opportunities. Alright, I'm only going to do this a couple more times because it's so hard to, juggle a leash. It's usually crossways. My pants are falling down. Uh-oh, get your leash. Get it. Get your leash. Bring it up. Yes, good job. He's standing on it. Sit. Okay, that's gonna be it for the leash thing. I'll try to get some video of him working.